Hi everyone, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are running a wholesale store, you might want to make sure your wholesale customers don't buy too much from a product collection. For example, you could set a rule that limits them to buy a maximum of 50 units from a particular collection, or we can say it like a window collection. In this video, I will show you how to set that maximum product limit quantity on your wholesale store. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this product limit correction of maximum quantity order limit, I'm using a B2B wholesale order limit tab which is available from the Shopify app store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and you can select the order limit option. Now click on create new rule. Now go for the collection limit since we are planning to give the rule for the collection limit. The maximum quantity limit should be set for a collection of products. So just select that and add for the rule name. Like I'm adding maximum quantity rule for my window collection. Now, if you have any description for this rule, like any additional notes to add or summarize the description of this rule and all, you can add those things here in this field. Let's say like rule set for window collection with maximum order limit of, let's say, 50 for wholesale customers. So I'm planning to give this rule for all my wholesale customers with a maximum order limit of 50 from the window collection. So in customer targeting, you can also target this for specific group of customers having some tags, or you can also apply this rule for those who spend above a limit of amount like that. And from here you can add the collection of products. Since I'm adding only for my window collection, I'm choosing only one products. If you have multiple collections to select, you can select from here and go for adding it. Now I'm not adding any minimum quantity so that the customers can go for any minimum purchase of this quantity of this window collection. And in case of maximum quantity limit, I'm adding 50 so that the customers will not be able to buy or purchase above 50 quantity of this window collection products. And if you need to apply for individual products from this collection, you can enable it from here. Otherwise, keep it disabled. And in case of advanced settings, if you need to give some additional or any customized message to this maximum quantity rule is not met, then you can enable it and add it for here. Those wordings and also you can add it for here. Otherwise, disable it and this default messages will be appear in the checkout page. And if you need to display this error message in the card, you can disable it from here. Otherwise, disable it. This error message will be automatically populated in the checkout page. So after adding all these details, make sure that your status is active and then go for saving the changes. Now let's this setup in our online store. So this product is out of my window collection. So I'm trying to buy 100 products of this item. So there won't be any error message showing up here because this product is not having, product is not included in my window collection. So let's try some other product within the window collection one. So this product is the one I have added for the window collection one. I'm trying to buy 100 products. Let's add this to the checkout. Now you can see that this products in this collection cannot be exceed 50. Currently it is 100. So this error, this restriction has thrown in the checkout. So let's try below 50, let's say 40, and try to check out. Now that error message has gone. So this is how you can restrict the maximum quantity limit for your winter collection or the product collection from your Wholesale app. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.